How to fix Chrome error _spdy_protocol error. Here's some methods that may help you with the error _spdy_protocol error in your Google Chrome browser. Method 1. Flush spdy sockets at chrome/net internal # sockets. Method 2. Make sure your browser is up to date. Method 3. Flushing DNS and renew IP address. To do so, run these commands as admin: IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flushtns IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushtns endstat r netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset. Method 4. Clear Google Chrome history. Cache. Method 5. Run Chrome cleanup tool.